Good morning, it's Anya Divine here. Have a look at the links below if you want to know more about me. Every day I've been picking flowers from the garden, feeling like each bunch will be the last ones because the frost is coming now. But they surprise me every day by still being there, and I don't know if I can do them justice, but at least I want to do a response to them. So I've got some collage materials here, and I'm going to just make a start on some sort of thing. But this paper, I don't really feel like doing a botanical illustration of flowers today, but I felt like that paper looked quite like the flowers. And yeah, I want to just use collage and be succinct. And then there's this torn piece of red paper that to me reads as the colour of the vase and has the quality of the curve at the edge of it there. Yeah, and I think something in this brings me back to that blanket there in the background. Maybe this could be the crocosmos sticking out. Yeah, just, a way in at least. That's a way in. Okay. All right, and I'm going to just begin using paint. I've had a fairly decadent week at the holidays, and going to bed late and getting up late. I've actually been binge watching the Sky Arts Portrait Artist that I missed last year for some reason. I was watching that last night, and then the girls ended up staying up late as well and just doing their own thing. But they've got school on Wednesday, so I need to get back in action. Yeah, but this morning I did wake up early and just went out and had a wander in the woods here. Right, I'm gonna just do some loose explanation of the flowers that I'm seeing with the corner of the brush. Sometimes filling in, sometimes not. I was using these colours on the palette to do a portrait of myself the other day. You see that? No, you can't. There. So there's the fuchsia. I don't feel like talking very much. I'm almost kind of not forcing, but I know that I do well when I do a painting in the morning or to begin the day, and so that's what I'm doing. Not forcing myself, but just recognizing that it's a good practice for me. And so I'm kind of almost not really, I'm not putting pressure on myself to do anything magnificent. I just simply want to begin seeing and painting down what I'm seeing. So there's this nice dark bit here that I think it's calling to me there, the inside of the vase. Just written the newsletter, so any of you who are subscribed to that will be getting that in the next few days, hopefully. That's funny, I was full of the joys, kind of, well, not full of the joys, but just really savouring the season. And when I wrote it, I felt really up and quite pleased with myself, I suppose. I don't know, there's something kind of quite relaxed in the attitude. And then this morning, I feel different. I feel like there's a kind of a pushing to do. And there's a certain, there's a benefit, I think, to getting into action. But blindly forcing myself to do something hasn't ever proven to work for me. So I'm just doing something that I know to be a nurturing exercise here. And you could do the same yourselves, sure. If it feels right to you, just play with the materials and let yourself make a piece of work that isn't gallery worthy. These nasturtium leaves, I think, have a kind of, the underside of them today looks to me to have a bit of yellow in them. Often they're quite kind of blue, cerulean blue, but this time I'm seeing yellow. And this stem has got a brightness to it as well, doesn't it? Okay. Now I'm going to lob on a bit more of that orange. So it occupies quite a bit of space, the red-orange colour there. And there's that yellow nasturtium that's kind of peeping down below the blue cloth down here. And I think I'm going to just use a bit of yellow collage for that, because I want it to sit above the blue. Maybe I'll use collage for the blues, for goodness sake.